Hey guys, I got a bunch of new Angry Birds in the mail. And first up we have this beanbag red plush. Next we have a inflated bubbles, and it doesn't make sound anymore. Next we have this 8-inch chuck. It has a sound chip in it, but it doesn't work. Next up we have a red, and it still makes sound. Next we have this slingshot red plush. Next up we have a red, new with side tag. Next up we have a 8-inch blue. Has a sound chip but it doesn't work. Next we have a white bird or Matilda plush. Doesn't make sound. Next we have a space chuck. Doesn't make sound. Next we have Jewel. She makes sound. Next we have a 5-inch space chuck, and he doesn't make sound. Next up we have a 8-inch blue, and he doesn't make sound. Next up we have a red plush, and I think he's 5 inches. I'm not really sure. Next up we have like a pencil topper red. Next we have this really old Bombird plush with the spot in the middle, and it has the old logo tag right here.